Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Product Reviews. If you're a content creator, video editor, graphic designer, or anyone who works with demanding creative software, you know that having the right laptop can make or break your workflow. Whether you're editing 4K videos, designing intricate 3D models, retouching high-resolution photos, producing music, or animating complex motion graphics, your laptop needs to keep up with your creative ambitions. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best laptops for creators in 2025. We've done the research and testing to bring you laptops that deliver on performance, color accuracy, display quality, battery life, and all those specialized features that creators need. So stick around until the end because our number 1 pick might just surprise you. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we have the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro. Samsung has really stepped up their laptop game with this one, and it's clear they're taking inspiration from some of the best in the business. Let's talk specs. The Galaxy Book 4 Pro comes with Intel's latest Core Ultra 7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and 512 gigabytes of storage. You can choose between a 14-inch or 16-inch model. The 14-inch version weighs just 2.71 pounds and measures 12.30 by 8.81 by 0.46 inches, making it incredibly portable. Now, what really sets this laptop apart is that stunning AMOLED display. Images literally leap off the screen with astonishing clarity and vibrancy. The colors are rich, the blacks are deep, and it even has touchscreen functionality, which adds a whole new layer of versatility to your workflow. This is something you won't find on many competing laptops at this price point. Performance-wise, that Core Ultra 7 processor handles demanding creative tasks with ease. Whether you're working in Photoshop, Premiere Pro, or any other creative software, this laptop won't let you down. It's not a gaming powerhouse, but for content creation, it's more than capable. One of the biggest improvements over the previous generation is battery life. Samsung has really delivered here with an impressive 10 hours of unplugged productivity. That means you can work through a full day without constantly hunting for a power outlet. On the downside, the built-in speakers could be better. They produce a somewhat tinny sound, so you might want to invest in external speakers or good headphones for audio work. Also, the design, while elegant, does feel pretty familiar and might not win any awards for originality. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. At number 4, we have the Apple MacBook Air 13-inch with the M3 chip. This is hands down one of the best all-around MacBooks you can buy today, and it's perfect for creators who need a balance of portability and power. The MacBook Air M3 features Apple's latest M3 chip, comes with a 13.6-inch display, and you can configure it with 8 GB to 24 GB of RAM and 256 GB to 2 TB of storage. The laptop weighs just 2.7 pounds and measures 11.97 by 8.46 by 0.44 inches. It's incredibly slim and lightweight, making it perfect for creators who work on the go. Apple recently dropped the price on the base model, which makes it an even more compelling option. However, keep in mind that the entry-level specs with 8 GB of memory and 256 GB SSD might feel a bit limiting by today's standards. If you're doing serious creative work, you'll probably want to upgrade to at least 16 GB of RAM. The M3 chip delivers impressive performance. It boots macOS lightning fast and handles multiple applications simultaneously without breaking a sweat. You can easily edit videos, work on graphic design projects, or run multiple creative apps at the same time. The base model comes with an 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, while the upgraded version features an 8-core CPU with a 10-core GPU for even better graphics performance. Battery life is another strong point. Apple claims up to 18 hours for video playback and 15 hours for web browsing. In real-world testing, you can expect around 14 to 19 hours depending on your usage, which is still incredibly impressive. The main downside is the limited port selection. You only get 2 Thunderbolt ports, so if you have a lot of peripherals, you might need to invest in a USB-C hub. Overall, the MacBook Air 13-inch with M3 chip excels as a blend of portability, performance, and value. It's an easy recommendation for creators looking for a capable all-around laptop that won't weigh them down. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the 2024 Microsoft Surface laptop, which we're calling the best Windows laptop for creators right now. Microsoft has really knocked it out of the park with this one. The Surface laptop features the revolutionary Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite chip, which is a game changer. You can configure it with up to 64 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. It comes in both 14-inch and 15-inch models. The 14-inch version weighs just 2.7 pounds, while the 15-inch model comes in at 3.67 pounds. What makes this laptop special is that Snapdragon X Elite chip. It accelerates Windows 11 to unprecedented speeds while delivering remarkable battery endurance and near-silent operation. This is Microsoft's triumphant entry into the realm of serious MacBook competition. The build quality is exceptional. Everything about this laptop screams premium, from the materials to the finish. It's lightweight, beautifully designed, and feels incredibly solid in your hands. Battery life is where the Surface laptop really shines. Thanks to the efficient ARM architecture, you're looking at around 15 hours of real-world battery life. During demanding workdays, this laptop can consistently last multiple days on a single charge, which is truly impressive for a Windows machine with this level of performance. The laptop also harnesses AI through the Copilot Assistant and Co-Creator tool, which lets you transform sketches into AI-generated art, all executed seamlessly on-device for enhanced privacy and security. While these AI features are still developing, they hint at an exciting future. The main limitation is that it may not handle the most demanding games very well, but for content creation, productivity, and creative workflows, it's a productivity powerhouse. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. Securing the runner-up position at number 2 is the Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M3 chip. This is where Apple really flexes its muscles in terms of raw performance. The MacBook Pro 14 is powered by the M3 chip and comes with a 14.2-inch display. The base configuration includes 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, though you can configure it much higher. It weighs 3.4 pounds and measures 12.3 by 8.7 by 0.6 inches. The M3 chip is a significant leap forward. We're talking about exceptional performance across the board. Video editing is a particular highlight, where the M3 absolutely crushes the competition. Tasks that used to challenge even high-end laptops now feel effortless on this machine. Apple has also focused heavily on graphics with the M3's new GPU architecture. The inclusion of hardware-accelerated ray tracing is a game-changer for 3D work and visual effects. While it doesn't quite match dedicated high-end graphics cards in certain demanding scenarios, the graphics performance is still incredibly impressive for a laptop of this size. Beyond raw power, the MacBook Pro 14 is a testament to Apple's commitment to design and user experience. The display is absolutely stunning with incredible color accuracy and brightness. The audio quality from the built-in speakers is exceptional, and that Magic Keyboard continues to be one of the best laptop keyboards you can type on. Battery life easily surpasses a full workday, making this a reliable companion whether you're in the office, at a coffee shop, or traveling. You can work all day without worrying about finding an outlet. The main downside is that distracting notch at the top of the screen, which some users find annoying, though you do get used to it over time. If you need top-tier performance for demanding creative work like 4K video editing, 3D rendering, or complex audio production, the MacBook Pro 14-inch with M3 is absolutely worth the investment. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And here we are at number 1. Our top pick for the best laptop for creators in 2025, the Apple MacBook Air with the M4 chip. Apple's latest MacBook Air combines cutting-edge performance with the portability that creators need. The 2025 MacBook Air comes in both 13-inch and 15-inch models and features Apple's brand new M4 chip. There's even a fresh sky blue color option if you want something a bit different. The M4 chip includes a 10-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores, plus your choice of either an 8-core or 10-core GPU configuration. It supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing and packs a 16-core neural engine for AI tasks. The base model now starts with 16 GB of unified memory, which is a huge improvement, and you can configure it up to 32 GB if you need more power. Storage options range from 256 GB to 2 TB SSDs. The only real downside is that the base model still starts with just 256 GB of storage, which might feel limiting in 2025. What really makes the M4 MacBook Air stand out is the combination of robust performance and impressive efficiency. The M4 chip delivers significant improvements over the M3, making creative tasks feel incredibly smooth. Whether you're editing 4K video, working with large photo libraries, or running multiple creative applications simultaneously, this laptop handles it all with ease. The display capabilities are also impressive. The MacBook Air now supports up to 2 external 6K displays, which is perfect for creators who need extended screen real estate for editing timelines, color grading, or multi-monitor workflows. The new 12MP center stage camera with desk view feature is a fantastic addition for video calls and content creators who do a lot of streaming or remote collaboration. Video quality is noticeably better than previous generations. Battery life is outstanding. You're looking at up to 18 hours of video streaming and 15 hours of wireless web usage. The base model comes with a 30W USB-C power adapter, but if you opt for higher configurations, you can get fast charging capabilities with a 70W adapter. The design remains sleek and lightweight, making it perfect for creators who are always on the move. It's thin enough to slip into any bag, yet powerful enough to be your main creative workstation. The 2025 MacBook Air with M4 chip delivers substantial improvements in performance, display capabilities, and overall user experience. It solidifies its position not just as a great ultra-portable laptop, but as the best laptop for creators who need a perfect balance of power, portability, and battery life. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best laptops for creators in 2025. From the powerful MacBook Pro for demanding workflows, to the incredibly efficient Microsoft Surface laptop, to our top pick, the game-changing MacBook Air with M4 chip, there's something here for every type of creator. Remember, the best laptop for you depends on your specific needs, budget, and the type of creative work you do. All of these laptops excel in different areas, so make sure to consider what matters most for your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Best Product Reviews for more in-depth tech reviews and buying guides. Drop a comment below and let us know which laptop you're most excited about, or if you have any questions about these devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.